J-Drone here. We are out with the Parrot Bebop with the FLYPAD and cell phone. I'm going to show you how to connect this, and then we're going to go for a fly. Firstly, you want to turn this on simply by holding that. Let go. As you see, blink, blink, blink. Doot, 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 doot. Makes a little noise. These just lightly shift. Then you want to connect your touch device to the Bebop, which will hold this way, and we might already be connected, but we will go, yep, we are already connected. That's right there, Bebop. So we are going to back out of this, and we are going to go into our app, which is FLYPAD Pro. It's connecting. We are good. We could go ahead and go turn this on. See, it's red. It's flashing green, flashing green. We're going to go into controller. We're going to click down here. There's the FLYPAD. We're going to click on that. It's connected. And should be good to go. Click on this. And if you hold your back bumper and this up and down, that'll control your camera. Which I don't know. I think we want it lightly tilted down, and we're going to go ahead and take off here, which simply using that button. She's up, and she is recording, and let's see, just trying to get a gist of what it's catching, and I think I want to be pitched down just a little bit as far as the camera goes. Or no, maybe I want to try to concentrate. I don't know if it'll concentrate on that. Nope. Alright, so we will pitch upwards slightly, and we will just go up. Catch this nice sky that we've got going on. Really wish it was catching the ground a little bit better. It's really not catching the ground too much. I'm going to go ahead and pitch down and see if it'll actually adjust. Pitch down some more. Yeah, it's not really adjusting to the ground. Maybe if we click on here. Nope. So actually, I want to see if I could go into settings, and we're going to pitch upwards and adjust that. We can go ahead and bring her over here. I really enjoy flying this with the FLYPAD. We'll go ahead and turn her over here just to get a look at her. And we're going to set her down. We could simply bring her close to the ground and then hit landing. And she lands. And she stops recording. So I just want to go in here and see if I can adjust FPV, piloting, positioning, video, recording quality. We want to go high. We're going to stay 1080p, frame rate 30 seconds, anti-flickering mode, auto. Is that all the video settings we have? I think there'd be more video settings on this. We'll go back. We'll actually back out of this. We'll go over here. Drone scope. Nope. We'll go back in here. And I don't know what that does. Okay, that actually shows where we are, which is weird. This will show a map like that, but when I fly the Phantom 3, it doesn't show a map. It doesn't load it for some reason. But we're actually going to get back out of that and show the video. I guess that's all the settings that I have as far as video goes. It's too bad there's like not a night setting or something. But alright, I guess there's no night setting on this. We are going to not fly to the sun. into the sun, and maybe we'll get better quality. We're going to do an auto takeoff again. We're up. And we're just going to, and we really should get LEDs on this for orientation. Just going to do a buzz that way. Nice outward buzz. And we're going to bring her back. She is coming back. That's only over 100 meters out. Nothing crazy. There she is. We'll stop before we smoke that tree. Bring her back towards us just a little bit. We'll go up. Just get a canvas of the little town here. We're on 41% battery life. Just to show you what it sees. You should be able to see that. There's no sun really. We're actually going to try to get a different perspective. I'm going to look down. And we're going to go forward just a little bit more. We have 35%. Really don't like flying over buildings, just because if anything were to happen, I don't want to hit somebody's property, but we are definitely over a building or two here. We'll just pan this way, get perspective that way. Maybe pan downwards. So a lot of people don't know that this camera is not fixed. You can pan up and down with it. A lot of people figure it's an embodied camera, it's fixed, and we'll go ahead and pan upwards. And we're going to bring this back, and we're going to fly up a little. Still got 25% battery life. We are 62 meters high. Nothing crazy. And let's turn it back towards the town that I live in. There's the town that I live in. You can see that. We're just panning around here. And we're going to go ahead and start bringing her down. We have 16% battery life. FLYPAD is the way to go with this. I get good range on it. I mean, having it in high definition, that's the first time I ever seen any type of glitchiness on the FPV screen. In the regular resolution, I didn't get any type of glitchiness, so maybe that's the way to go. She's coming down, coming down, coming down. Low battery alert. All over it. That's why we were bringing her down. And there I am. I'm just going to pan this way. There I am. What up? Try to get centered here. She's bouncing around. There it is. Bam. That's where it's at. Whoop. Dropping herself. That's Autoland feature for you guys. At 4% it did that. So you definitely want to bring this back around 11%. You want to screw with it a little, just make sure it's not too high off the ground. Guys, I'm J Drone. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed, also, please do. Take care. Have a great day and fly safe.